Hello. Okay, I'm here and this is what I get from your uh, money or your sponsor. This is a noodles just for uh, vegetables and carrots. And this is chicken. And this is what you want, meat, ground meat that makes meatballs. And spaghetti, and we have oil and juice for husband, and um, cheese cheese and this is libra spread that mixed with this spaghetti, uh, also a black pepper ground and full full black pepper, and this is a gravy for chicken, sugar, banana, and this is uh, husband's coffee. This is sugar free. And here, my rice. Only both rice. And this is the best things that I need to buy. This is what I want to buy. It's very important. It is a see, it's Bourbon Adult Plus, but I get free items, and this is worth $9. $9. It's almost 500 pesos. Okay, that's it. It's very helpful. Thank you so much. Those are the foods or the items that I get from your money that you send it to me. Thank you so much. Okay, God bless.